Boom! I'm back in the old toy shed at the Heale Manor. Welcome to the old Bantam Project. Finally, I've got some bits turned up and I can do a little bit more work on it. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to change out the I'll put the electronic ignition into the system. Now this is going to be tricky. All I've got to do, I think, as far as I can work out, is take all the bits off, make sure to get it top dead centre, and then put the new bits in. So should we start? Should we give it a go? Let's see how we get on. So the first thing I'm going to do is take out the spark plug. I've left the spark plug in because I didn't want any crap going in there. So we'll take the spark plug out for the time being. Now another reason I haven't been doing an awful lot recently is my back's been playing up a tad. So I have been taking it fairly easy. Right, so the first thing I need to do is, let's have a look. I've taken out all the wires beforehand, so there's a load of wires that I've taken off. So we just pull that off out of the way. We'll get that out of the way. Then I've loosened off these screws already. I have been cheating a little bit. What I've been doing is I've just been having a look to make sure I know what I'm doing. There's nothing worse than showing yourself up when you don't need to. So that's the screws out. Now I think what I need to do now, use a screwdriver in there. We need to take this out. I think that one needs to come out. This is the old timing thing. This is what open and shuts the points. Use a little smaller screwdriver on that, make it easier. So as you can see, I mean, I still don't know what I'm doing. Oh, that's that out. So I think that's going to be superfluous to requirements. I don't think I'm going to need that bit in the future. So let's see if I can wriggle this bit off. Oh, that's it. Oh, cool, look, blimey. Have a check out of that. Look at all them magnet bits. Can you see that? I guess that's what generates the spark for the opening and shutting of that. I think I might need that bit again. So for the time being, we'll just put him over there. Oh, it's always something, isn't there? There's always something. All that fit. That's all that's doing is turning that round. So we've got to hold that somehow. This definitely ain't my forte. It's right there. Gotcha, bugger. That's it. That has done the trick. So this nut's got to come off. So that's coming off. That's coming off. So we'll need that nut again. Take that off. Now, this other piece of kit, where's this other thing? So this goes on here. It's got to come right out. assuming that goes on there. You need 3 pairs of hands here. Definitely need sort of 3 hands for this job. Right, that screws onto there, I think. Now this should be what this does. Screw that in. Now I need a do from there. Just need to drop that down. Ah, we need that again. Goes the other way. Hey, we've done it. We've only done it. Well, there's the result. That right, so that come off. Let's have a look here. Right, that can come off. Because I think what I've done, pop that down out of the way. That can come off. Cool, look at that. Just look at that. That worked. That's only gone and worked, isn't it? Look at it. Well, that was a blooming struggle. But, oh, dropped it. Now then, now we're at that stage. Cool, look at that. Wow. Now, let's have a look at putting some bits back in. What have we got here? Right, we'll leave these bits out for the time being. That's a kill switch. That's a HT box. That's a plug debris. And then, oh, cool, that's heavy. So, I think that has to come out. And then this little birdie is going to go back in. So let's just drop that down, slide him in. Oh, check that out. Well, that's it. I've gone as far as I'm going to go today. Now, I've got the old alternator out, well, gubbins out, the flywheel and all that, that's out. Got a new one in, kind of set it up, sorted the wires out, and what am I going to do now? That's enough for today. I'm going to just pop the plug back in for now, and yeah, just going to leave well enough alone. I'll come back tomorrow and look at wiring it up. The wiring up is going to be the difficult bit, obviously, and then hopefully keep us fingers crossed that we get the timing square, timing right on it, and then we'll be good to go. So that's it for today. That is that's it. Go and wash my hands, sit down, drop some of this footage down, charge the batteries up again, ready to go again for tomorrow. Or yeah, I'm hoping to get it done tomorrow. So until then, TTFN, ta-ta for now.